In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change server in Mobile Legends. Changing the server in Mobile Legends is a quick and simple process that can be done in just a few easy steps. To get started, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap Account. Now, you'll see the Switch Server option on the right side. Tap on it. Now you'll see all the available servers. Tap on any server you like and then tap Switch Server. After you've done that, a pop-up will appear asking you to restart the game. Simply tap OK to exit out of Mobile Legends and then reopen it. The game will now load on the new server you selected, and you can start playing with other players from that region. So, that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.